What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to clear the update cache on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. To open the Windows Update cache, simply use the Windows key and R shortcut. A small dialog box will appear. Here, type in this path, c-windows-software distribution-download. You can copy it from the description below. You can also open the Windows Update cache manually. Simply head over to your local disk C, Windows, Software Distribution, Download. Once you're in this folder, go ahead and delete all the files to clear the update cache on your Windows 11 PC. This might take a couple of minutes, depending on how many files are saved in this folder. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.